Hey guys, this is Akin from Living with Tech. Sorry I've not been able to upload videos lately. This is because I have been traveling for my day job for the past a month plus now. But I'm back to base, and I will be releasing more tech videos for your pleasure. Today I decided to visit family, and while visiting them, we just thought that we'll fly the DJI Mini SE drone around the neighborhood, and just to have fun with the kids, and just give it a test. And the area is actually a new neighborhood. New structures are just coming up, and we just also wanted to use that opportunity to have a look at the area and the level of development that was going on. But unknown to us, it was supposed to be an eventless flyby, just fly around the neighborhood a little bit and look at the environment and then come back. And you can see some new development also coming up in the area. The area is actually really springing up with a lot of houses. But all of a sudden, from nowhere, a swamp of birds just enveloped the drone. From the angle of the camera of the drone, you can't really see them that many, and like how we saw it on the ground was really very scary and very nerve-wracking. At the point I actually thought that I would definitely lose the drone. I'm sure you can see so many of them right now flying. There were over like 30 plus birds flying all around the drone. I can tell you at that point, I really didn't think the drone would make it back to the home point, and for me it was sheer miracle that none of these birds actually hit the drone. And you can see, if any of the birds had like hit the drone would have definitely fallen off the sky, and of course would have also caused some kind of injury on the birds, which won't be nice. And so I had to quickly fly the drone back, switched it from P to sport mode, and I flew the drone back to me. And you can see that the birds were still actually flocking around the drone even while I was descending the drone and descending back to land. Even while I was trying to land, and I also almost hit the power lines, had to also maneuver. At that point, my hands were literally shaking. I really did not think that I would really bring back this drone. So it was great. Thank God that the drone came back in one piece. And so you really need to be careful of the things around, of course, power lines, and most importantly, nature. People have asked, how do you protect your drone from things like that? You could use propeller guards, but remember, if you use propeller guards and you're flying outdoors, that drone would be above 250 grams, and you would require some form of registration. So guys, thank you so much. This was just a short video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and definitely we'll be back with fun, great tech videos on the Daily Live. Thank you again for watching today, and see you in the next one. Peace.